Hi, I'm Alexander Gark. I'd like to present to you our new product. It's a fork for downhill cycling, which is called the Gark Storm, made in Ukraine. Now, I'm going to tell you about it in detail. The fork is made as a built-up construction and doesn't have molded parts. This choice was made not by chance. We've chosen aircraft-grade aluminum as its strength is twice higher than cast aluminum, making 30% difference in weight compared to magnesium alloy, which is used by other fork producers. Aircraft-grade aluminum is 3 times more durable. The problem is constructional alloy cannot be processed by casting. That's why the construction is made of separate milled parts. The fork lowers have collapsible design. Twisted dropouts with left and right-handed threads help to fix the construction and keep it away from unscrewing under lateral loads. A removable arc on a spline joint with a back taper helps to fasten all these elements together. It is tightened with a titanium bolt. Also, the arc is of polygonal form, which makes the design unique and brings the weight down. Its collapsible design has made the construction maintainable, especially in places where there is high risk of breakdown. So these elements can be easily replaced later on. The dropout has a one-piece construction without cuts that help to avoid any breakdowns and makes this construction a lot stronger. The axle attachment has a radial fixation. The axle is put into the slot and fastened with a cone-headed bolt, also known as a conical junction. This mounting method is simple enough and very reliable. There is a brake mount post mount with a rotor size of 203 millimeters. It's also possible to install the brake through the wheel adapter for 220 millimeter rotors. We use Teflon turrets and SKF fork seals on the low friction line, which are considered the best in the world and have the lowest coefficient of friction. In the end, we've got a collapsible, highly durable, and maintainable construction. The most pressure-bearing pieces can be replaced. By means of optimization and product development, we've got 1,050 grams of weight for the fork lowers, in contrast to the first version, which weighed 1,400 grams. These fork lowers have quite impressive criteria, even in comparison with magnesium ones. Fork stanchions are made of aluminum alloy, 7075 T6 tubes, which are 40 millimeters in diameter. The stanchions have a solid-state anodized surface with extra PTFE application. All Teflon technology allows embedding the PTFE element into the anodized surface. The arc and crowns are made of a one-piece aluminum stock, milled on the computer numerical control machines, which provide us with high-precision details and repeatability. As a result, we get a high-quality product. The fork has an air cartridge in its left stanchion. The fork pump action occurs from above. The air cartridge is realized in the form of a piston integrated into the stanchion. Thanks to a bypass valve, it is possible to recharge a negative inner tube during the movement of the fork. This construction, applied by many manufacturers, has proved its practicality, reliability, and simplicity. In the right leg, there's a closed-type hydraulic cartridge, which regulates compression from above, while also regulating speed rebound from below. The cartridge has a rubber expander, which provides smooth operation without any jerks. With the compression situated above, it allows regulating on the move. The recoil adjustment mechanism is hidden below, helping not to cause damage to the regulator in case of any contingencies. The fork was developed with modern software, which helped to take into account all elements of strength and reliability. The fork was tested on test stands in our experimentation center. There are 2 stands. One which tests the fork on statistical deterioration, where it goes through about 100,000 cycles, and we monitor durability of all exterior parts, coating, etc. On the other stand, we test the fork at maximum capacity. The capacity is applied according to the world standard for this production. Our fork passed the test with up to 150% margin of safety. In the end, we've got a very durable and repairable fork, which has the most features for quite an acceptable price.